Hello ka Ma'am She's Vlog. For today's video ay gagawin natin is paano mag-transfer, mag-cash in ng ShopeePay sa Shopee natin. So, ang gagawin natin is, kung meron na po kayong Shopee is, open nyo lang yung account nyo, then click yung cash in ng ShopeePay. So, ang balance ko ay nasa 283 pesos. Once na-click yun na, ito ang lalabas sa ShopeePay Cash In. So, meron tayong papilian, Mari Banking account, StopPay, Pay and Go, over the counter or over the accounting banking ATM. Since meron akong GCash, ang pipiliin ko ay ang InstaPay. Once na na-click ng GCash, may instruction doon na nakalagay na log in to your GCash app and click transfer. Click view all and select ShopeePay. Enter the amount to transfer and account name into the recipient ShopeePay registered phone number. Then, click on send money to complete the process. Ang po, dapat alam natin yung number na naka-register sa ShopeePay. Once na-click natin ang GCash, ay magda-direct doon at i-open na natin. Once na na-open na ang GCash, click lang natin yung transfer, then local, then search natin yung ShopeePay account. May nakalagay dyan na ShopeePay. Ayan, nakita na natin. Then, click natin ang ShopeePay. Then, enter the amount, account name, and account number na nakaregister sa Shopee account nyo or sa ShopeePay. After natin na-type lahat, na-correct, then masisend na natin na i-confirm na dito sa correct and pay. Then, masisend si GCash ng OTP sa registered number ng GCash nyo. Type lang natin yung OTP number, then submit. After complete ng transfer, so na-reflect na yung amount ko sa ShopeePay. So, naging 423 pesos. So, mag-try ako ng checkout. Gamitin natin yung ShopeePay account ko at pambayad sa amount na 421 pesos. Then, proceed natin yung checkout. Then, pag-open na yung amount at saka yung mga discount promo. Then, yung payment make sure yung payment method na gagamitin ay yung ShopeePay once na meron kayong ShopeePay. Then, click lang natin yung place order. Ayan, payment successful na po yung ating ShopeePay na binayad natin sa ating order. So, nakalagay yung paid 416 pesos. So, ganun lang po kadali ang mag-cash in ng ShopeePay through the GCash account. So, thank you for watching and please click like and subscribe po. Thank you. Bye!